Hello students. Now we can learn about basic concepts in profit and loss. Based on Max Basics Class 8. First, what is cost price? The amount for which an article is brought is called cost price. Next, what is meant by selling price? Selling price means the amount for which the article is sold. So, cost price means amount for which an article is brought. Selling price means amount for which an article is sold. Next, what is meant by profit or gain? When the selling price, that is SP, is more than the cost price CP, then there is a profit. What is meant by loss? When the SP is less than the CP, there is a loss. Loss is equal to CP minus SP. That is cost price minus selling price. Next we can learn what is discount. Discount means rebate, that is reduction of a price during a sale. Usually shopkeeper provide the discount in order to clear the old stock. So discount is equal to market price minus selling price and its percentage is discount by mark price into 100. Next, what is meant by mark price? While you go to a shop or department, you will see something a tag on every product and they provide a price on it. That is only mark price. So in a simple way, the price marked on a tag with a code is known as mark price. Sometimes the shopkeeper also offers a certain percentage of discount on it. So the price paid by the customer after deduction of discount is called selling price. So selling price is equal to market price minus discount. Now the formula for profit and loss percentages. Profit percentage or loss is profit by cost price into 100. Loss percentage is equal to loss by cost price into 100. These are the two formulas to remember. Next we can see simple example for better understanding. First, a shopkeeper has brought a watch for rupees 2500 and sold it for rupees 2800. How much is the profit gained by him, and also calculate the percentage of profit gained. By reading the question, we know that cost price of a watch is 2500 and selling price of the watch is 2800. So the profit gained is equal to selling price minus cost price, that is SP minus CP, and thus 2800 minus 2500, we get the answer as 300. In case of SP, we have given 2800 and in place of cost price 2500, and thus the profit is 300. Next, we have to calculate the percentage of profit gain. The profit gain formula is profit by cost price into 100. So here the profit is 300 and cost price is 2500 into 100. So now by simplifying 300 by 2500 into 100, by simplifying first we remove two zeros and in the next step we divide 25 by 1s and 100 by 4. So thus by multiplying 3 into 4, the answer is 12. So the percentage of profit gained is 12%. We should always remember to write the percentage at the end. So the percentage of profit is 12%. Now the next example is a person brought a mixer for rupees 3000 and sold it at a loss of 10%. What is the selling price of a mixer? So by reading the question, we know that cost price of a mixer is rupees 3000 and the loss percentage is 10%. We are asked to calculate the selling price of mixer. We already know loss percentage is equal to loss by cost into 100. So from the question, we know that loss percentage is 10. So we put 10 in loss percentage, that is equal to 10 is equal to loss by 3000 into 100. So to calculate the loss, we bring 1000 which is in division. When it comes to other side, it comes in multiplication, and 100 which is in division, when it comes to other side, it comes in division. So loss is equal to 3000 by 100. So the loss is rupees 300. And next, we are asked to calculate the selling price of the mixer. To calculate the selling price, we already know loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. So selling price is equal to cost price minus loss. How? Since we bring selling price to the other side, minus changes to plus, while we bring loss to other side, plus changes to minus. Now by substituting the value of cost price, that is 3000, and the loss is 300, by minusing we get answer as 2700. So thus the selling price of a mixer is 2700. In this question, we got only the cost price and percentage. From that, we have calculated the selling price of a mixer. So by following this way, we can calculate the loss percentage and gain percentage, cost price and selling price. Hope you understood. Thank you.